Hey friends, I just wanted to pop on really quick and show off some of our fun earrings at Sedalia Designs. So these earrings can be purchased from our consultants that shop the wholesale group, or as a customer you can actually get an account. Doesn't cost anything, and you can get great deals on wholesale earrings. So this one is fun, but we also have it in like a double. So if you want it to hang a little lower, then we've got the double. So these are some fun bohemian style earrings. Earrings are such a great, inexpensive way to change up an outfit. You can have Q-top and many pair of earrings to make it look different. Love that style, and we've actually got this one also in a patina style. These are cute if you like smaller earrings. Tried to pull some that match the purple. Purple is a great boho color too. So we have our little guy there. And then we have some antiqued brass. Great Christmas gifts, great stocking stuffers. And here a fun pewter style. Makes having short hair really fun. And let's see if we have any more that I want to show with this cup. These are fun too. These are super popular. So these are an antique brass with some crystal. Super sparkly. Lots of great colors. Love it. So there will be a link in the description. Depending on where you're seeing this, link could be in the comments, link could be above. Reach out to your Sedalia Designs consultant. Don't have one, you can join us absolutely free as an affiliate and get you some.